Hello guys, welcome to Heart for Art Live. Welcome all fellow artists. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Adam but with color. Okay, step number 1, we're going to be sketching the outline first. To do this, you need to start and lightly sketch your basic outline of Adam's face and body. You're going to do this using an HB pencil. Pay attention to proportions and ensure that you have enough space on your paper to include all of the details. Remember, it's okay to make adjustments during this initial sketching phase, okay? And if you don't have an HB pencil, the next best pencil that I've been able to use would be just a regular number 2 pencil as well. Step number 2, you're going to be adding facial features. Now let's add the facial features to our sketch. Start with the eyes using reference images. Like I said, you can go to heartforart.live to get those reference images. You can also use your Bible to get other ideas on, how Adam can be depicted in your drawing.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lesson.
For this, you're going to need a 2B pencil just to help create the depth and shading around the eyes, and that just helps. And the 2B pencil, how it works is you have an HB pencil, so when you go from B on up, it's going to be darker pencils. If you have the H and up, it's going to be lighter pencils. So we're going to use our 2B so it's a little darker for the shading around Adam's eyes, okay? Next, you're going to add the nose, the mouth, the ears, and of course pay close attention to their placement and proportions so it won't be off-centered or anything like that. Step number 3, you're going to be shading and texturing. Now to do this, to help in bringing the story of Adam to life, you're actually going to add shading and texture a bit more. Now to do this, you're going to need a 4B pencil. This will actually help you to darken areas that need more contrast, such as shadows under the cheekbones or around the nose. In addition to, you can also use hatching or cross-hatching techniques just to give you kind of a rough draft as you're doing this as well. And this will help you as well in creating texture and depth to Adam's face and body. Don't forget to blend the shading with a blending stump or a clean makeup brush. Remember, do not use your finger to shade because it will create smudges. Last step number 4, you're going to be coloring Adam. Once you are satisfied with your pencil sketch, it's time to add color to your drawing. You're going to use coloring pencils to bring life and vibrancy to Adam's features. You can use coloring pencils or colored markers as well, whichever your preference is in that case. Of course, take your time and choose the colors that closely resemble human skin tones. So you may do a brown or a beige or a kind of brownish reddish mix for his skin tone, depending on what skin tone you're going for. And remember to layer your colors. Start by the lighter shades and gradually build up to darker tones to create a realistic effect. Now, of course, I can't give you all of the tips here because I'm trying to keep the 4 tips within 4 minutes for you, just so the video won't be long and drawn out. But if you want to learn more tips, go to art.live and you can have more tips over there on how to finish your drawing of Adam with color, as well as there are many other things such as how to draw a nose, hands, eyes, mouth, nature, the story of Cain and Abel, Tower of Babel, so much more. So go over there and avail yourself. Again, that's heartforart.live. You can actually put your own artwork on t-shirts, mugs, and so much more over there, also on the website too. Thank you guys again for tuning in to Heart for Art on today. I will see you all next Tuesday, 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I hope to see you in class even on next week. And stay tuned because we have more step-by-step sketch tutorials coming your way. Thank you again. God bless, stay encouraged, and don't give up on God's calling for your life. Bye. God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online
to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.